All right, traders, I want to go over 5 quick, easy, and effective ways to blow up your trading account. All the people out there, all the gurus, they're telling you how to not blow up your account. Let's be a little unconventional here and go ahead and tell you how to blow up your trading account. You're going to want to add to every single losing position. And not only do you want to add to every losing position, you want to plan for multiple entries on the way down. When this stock goes lower, you want to go with it. You want to add as it's dropping. So on the stock traders, you can plan for 3 entries. Number 1, when you think it's right. 2, when it cracks support, and the key word there is cracks. You want that to crack. You don't want it to have a breakout. And number 3, when you're 6 feet deep. When it goes low, you don't go high. You go low and add. Add. And traders, just remember in these trades that hope is going to be your best friend. You're always going to want to hope that this thing's going to turn around, and don't just allow yourself to listen to the hope. You want to add. When it's going further down and that angel on your shoulder is telling you it's going to come back around, just add to the position. You need to add to it because hope is going to be your best friend and ego is its assistant. Don't allow yourself to take a loss. At the end of the day, we have to trust the plan. And the plan is to add to every losing position. That's number 1. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 is never cut a loss, especially quick. The key word here in this sentence is never, double underlined. And this really plays off of our first one. You always want to add to a losing position. You also never want to cut a loss. So if you were planning on an intraday trade, well, just turn that intraday trade into a long-term investment and just continue to add into that trade. Number 3, and I know you guys will agree with this, always revenge trade. Keyword there is always. You will be surprised at how fast you can really blow up your account by revenge trading. And why do they call it revenge trading? They use the word revenge because we're really mad, right? We just took a loss and we want to trade back and make the gains back. You want to always revenge trade, guys. Revenge trading is the best and fastest way, quickest way to really blow up that account. It's absolutely critical that you trade when your emotions are as heightened as they absolutely can be. And when they are as heightened as they can be, it might not be a bad idea to consider using all your leverage. If you have 6-to-1 leverage on a $500 trading account, go ahead and use all 6-to-1 leverage on your revenge trade. Revenge trading also will lead into over trading, and that's really important, guys. Over trading will get you to where you need to be as quick as possible. And with revenge trading, guys, that'll lead into over trading. And over trading is exactly where we need to be. We want to be churning those commissions, guys. If we're opening up like a $500 account, we can churn a few $100s in commissions. We might could blow this account up in one day. That would be ideal. And traders, that leads me to number 4, which is don't predefine your risk, rather predefine your profits. So before you enter a trade, let's say you want to make X amount of dollars. If you don't make X amount of dollars on that trade, do not liquidate that position until your profit target is met. If it's not met, go back to step number 1, add to your losing position. And to put the icing on the cake, guys, let's go into step number 5. If you're just getting started and want to blow up your account as quickly as possible, you want to join a big guru chat room. The reason you want to join one of these big guru chat rooms is because you want to be about 10-15 seconds delayed when you're in a chat room. That way, one of these chat rooms is going to pump up a low float stock, and you want to be buying their shares as they're selling them. They're going to be buying about 10,000 shares and selling them for about a 10-cent profit, making what, like $1,000? Posting that on YouTube, getting a bunch of marketing, getting new students in their chat room. What you want to be doing is buying those shares. So they buy those 10,000 shares and then sell them in about 10 or 15 seconds when you're going to be buying them. What you're going to want to do is buy those shares. And you always want to stay in these chat rooms and be a sheep because trading independently is not going to get you guys where you want to be. You want to be a dependent sheep buying the shares of a chat room guru selling theirs. Traders, let me know if you think this is the best way to blow up a trading account. Let me know if there's a few more steps you would add in here. And traders, go ahead and hit that like button, smack that subscribe button, because if you don't, some of these chat rooms might steal our secrets, and we would not want that. All right, traders, we will see you all first thing tomorrow morning.